Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Terraria multiplayer mobile tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Terraria and then you want to go ahead and press on multiplayer. From here, go ahead and select the player that you want to play multiplayer on you guys. You could also go ahead and create a new one if you want to, but all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on play. Now, there's two options that you guys have: localhost. Localhost will allow you and your friends who are within the same Wi-Fi network to play together. So this will only work if everybody's on the same Wi-Fi network. So if you want to go ahead and host a world, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on host. Then you want to go ahead and select on a world or create a brand new world. If you do want, you guys could also go ahead and select on the maximum amount of players and also even include a password if you do want. And all you need to do is just load into your Terraria world, and then all of your friends should be able to see you online on your Terraria world thanks to the local server list. Alright guys, but if you wanted to go ahead and play on an actual Terraria server, then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on the server tabs just like so. And then you want to go ahead and press on the add button. As you're able to tell, I did add a server previously, but you just want to go ahead and press on add. And then it's going to ask you for a server IP and a server port. So the next thing you want to do is just open up Google and then just look up Terraria server for Android. Then you want to go to the official terrariaservers.com website right over here, and over here is a bunch of servers that you guys could actually go ahead and join. So from here, go ahead and find the server that you actually want to go ahead and play on. And if you wanted to go ahead and like play with your friends, for example, then that means you and each of your friends need to join the same server. So go ahead and find a server for you and your friends to go ahead and play on. Alright, so for this video, let's go ahead and join this gaming server right over here. So after you went and copied it, go ahead and open up Terraria one more time. Then under server IP, you want to go ahead and paste it. Make sure to delete the port, and then the port is like usually 47. So yeah, we're going to type 7777. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on play. Then it's going to go ahead and now connect you to your actual Terraria server. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.